friends. So we are going to learn in this session how to change company and user password. We will open Tally Prime. Continue in educational mode. We will select any company. Go to company. So in the previous video we have learned how to create company, alter company, change company, select company, search company in the same company menu. Second, we have user management. So we will learn about change user, change password, username and password, user roles, password policy. So first, to learn this, we will create some users in the company. So we will go to user and password. Here suppose I have created data entry 1, and for this username is B, password I have given. I will create one more, data entry, username C, password I have given. Again data entry, username, D, password I have given. End of the list. Again we will go to company. We will go to company, username and password. So basically we have created data entry 1, data entry 2, and data entry 3. So suppose I want to change user, means I want to change the user. So just select, I will select the change user, select username, and I will give here suppose user B. So this company has been opened with the user level B. Okay. So this user does not have permission to change to give username and password and change password and to alter the company. So we will change again. We will open with the admin level, that is user A. So this is our admin login, Alt K. So we knew about the change user. Change password means we can change the user password as well as admin password. So if you will go to the change password, suppose our admin password is 1, and if it will ask old password, I will give the old password, and it will ask new password, I will give the new password, and confirm password, our password will be changed. So again next option is user and password. We know already user and password, what is that. We can create as per our business, we can create data entry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 users and password. That is simple, nothing. So next we will go to user role. So here user role, what we can do means we can define the which user what supposed to do, what supposed not to do. So for example in the data entry, so what can data entry do? We have created a security label, disallow the following facility. This disallow the following facility, it will restrict the user from accessing this report like accounting master, balance sheet, cash flow, company features, cost center, fund flow, location wise summary, group summary, group monthly summary, inventory master, all this. And if you want any specific option, we can allow here. Suppose he can create alter ACC accounting master, create alter accounting voucher, end of the list. So similarly we can define the do's and don'ts for Tally.net user here. Currently it is not there. Similarly we can define the do's and don'ts for the Tally.net auditor here. Tally.net owner, we can define the do's and don'ts here. Similarly data entry 1, data entry 2, here we can create the new admin level also, like ACCOUNT accountant under data entry, and like manager under data entry. We will accept the screen. So that's all. So we learned about the user roles and how to create the security labels. Next, what is that? Alt K, password policy. Password policy is nothing but here if you enable the password policy, what happens means Tally will give some specification like our password strength should be minimum 4 character, minimum 6 character, minimum 8 character. By default this will be there. We can override it. We can give 4, 6. Advanced parameter, it will give some more strengthen to the password, like minimum characters, minimum how many alphabet character will be there, numerical character will be there, special character will be there. And we can set the expiry date also, like for 10 days, 20 days. Notify when the password is high, we can enable this option here. So our password, if the password is supposed to expire, we will come to know. Restrict the old password, restrict the use of old password. If you want to restrict the password, we can enable it. Other option, change password on first login. This will, if you enable this, what happen means if you create the username password, then once after login the password, it will ask to change the password. Allow user to change the password. If you enable this option, what happens means user will also be able to change their password. Otherwise only the admin will be having the rights to change the user password. So we will again see. Okay, we learned about change password, we learned about change user, learned about user and password, user roles, user password policy. So in this video, that's all guys. If you like this informative video, you can like, comment and share with your friends. In next video we will learn about remote access browser. So these features required the valid Tally.net license. I do not have the Tally license. I will ask any of my friends or colleague to just update you guys how this feature will work. So thank you, please watching.